Welcome to David Alexander Maths Tuition. This is Chapter 5D, Equations of Straight Lines. The line that passes through the points 3, 7 and 5, 11 meets the y-axis at point A and the x-axis at point B. So what is the equation of the line? Okay, so the equation of the line, for the equation of the line I'm going to have to work out the gradient and the y-intercept. So do the gradient first. So 11 change in y over the change in x. So 11 take away 7 is 4, 5 take away 2 is 3. So it's going to be y equals 4/3 x plus c. So I'm going to do my, I'm going to run out of space, so I'm just going to write up here. So I'm going to do y take away the y value, 7 equals 4/3 x take away the x value. So therefore y equals 4/3 x. 4/3 times negative 3 is minus 4, and I move that negative 7 over to the other side, so it's plus 7. So negative 4 plus 7 is the same as plus 7 take away 4, so that's plus 3. So I'll change that plus c to a plus 3. What are the coordinates of A and B? Well, where it meets the y-axis, that is the y-intercept, so that is at 3. So what are the coordinates? Well, that is going to be 0, 3. Now, where it meets the x-axis, we need to remember, where it meets the x-axis, y equals 0. Where it meets the y-axis, x equals 0, but when it meets the x-axis, y equals 0. So I'm going to make 0 equal 4/3 x plus 3, take away 3 from both sides, and multiply both sides by 3, so minus 9 equals 4x, and now divide through by 4, so minus 9 over 4 equals x. So the point B will be negative 9 over 4, 0. Okay, here's another example. So what is the equation of this line? So first of all, I'm going to calculate the gradient, so change in y, so minus 5 minus minus 2, over the change in x, which is 6 minus 11. Minus minus is a plus. Minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3. And 6 take away 11 is, why am I struggling to do that? 11 take away 6 is 5. There we go. So that is minus 5, of course. So therefore the gradient is going to be 3/5. Because a minus divided by a minus is positive. So it's going to be y equals 3/5 x plus c. So what I'm going to do is y minus the y coordinate. I'll grab these coordinates here, so that becomes y minus minus 5, or y plus 5 equals the gradient, which is 3/5 of x minus the 6. So I'm going to expand this out, and then I'll just put the minus 5 over here as well. So y equals 3/5 x minus 18 over 5 take away 5. And what is minus 18/5 minus 5? That is minus 43 over 5. So y equals 3/5 of x minus 43 over 5. So that's the equation of the line, but I want it in this form. So first of all, if I multiply through by 5, 5y equals 3x take away 43. In other words, 3x take away 5y minus 43 equals 0. So what are the coordinates of A and B? So it meets the y-axis at point A. So this is our y-intercept. So this will have the coordinate of 0, negative 43 over 5. Now for B is where it meets the x-axis, where y is 0. So I'm going to use whichever equation. In fact, I would normally use the y equals, but actually I'll use this one here as there's no fractions in it. So if y is 0, then 5y is also 0. So 0 equals 3x take away 43. So therefore 3x equals positive 43. So x is 43 over 3. So that is 43 over 3, comma 0.